Dear students, I am N.K. Jha from APS. We have studied many topics, but in running topic is numbers, nouns, number, some rules, some facts we have to follow. After that we can understand the chapter, the topic, nouns, number, too much important. So think about it and follow the concept of nouns, number. We had studied 2 points. First was we add s to most nouns to form their plurals, and second one we add es to nouns that end in s, double s, ch, sh, o or x to make their plurals. So two concept, two rules, two ideas you have got from nouns, number. Today we shall discuss about more concept which we have to learn, we have to understand, and through this concept we can change the nouns in plural form. Okay, so third rules, nouns end in consonant. Noun ends with consonant. Okay, plus y plus y. Okay, we change y to I, we change y to I. Okay, and add es and add es to make plural, to make plural. So noun ends with consonant plus y, or you can use ends in also consonant plus y. We change y to I and add es to make plurals. Okay, to make plurals, किसको make their plurals, उसका plurals बनाने के लिए तो आप इसको किस में चेंज कर देंगे, I में. Okay, just like example, through example we can understand. Okay, so look here, example will be baby, example number 2 diary, example number 3 lady, baby, diary, lady. This is similar, but whenever we have to convert it into plural, then we have to use these particular rules to make plurals, because the word ending with consonant plus y, consonant plus y. Look here. So this is consonant plus y, consonant plus y, consonant plus y. Then what you will do? We change, हम लोग करते हैं y को चेंज करते हैं किसमें? टू i में. मतलब y क्या हो जाएगा? I. And add es. Understand? To make their plurals. तो बेबी है, तो बेबी BABY को I करना पड़ेगा और ES इसमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा. बेबी, बेबी इज द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ बेबी. So here diary, plural form will be DAIRES, diaries. Okay, diaries. Y के प्लेस में I करना है तो DAIRIES, diaries. Lady, ladies. Y के प्लेस में I किया एंड ES ऐड किया टू मेक प्लूरल्स. क्या बनाने के लिए? प्लूरल्स बनाने के लिए. कोई डाउट? सो आई मीन टू से दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, especially nouns, numbers. Without this concept, without these rules, we will have to face a lot of problem in the fields of nouns, number. So you have to follow, you have to read and memorize it. The ending will be consonant plus y of any word. Then y will be changed in I and add es to make their plurals. तो y को I में चेंज कर देंगे और फिर उसमें ES लगा देंगे तो आपका प्लूरल फॉर्म बन जाएगा. कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई डाउट? आई थिंक नो एनी प्रॉब्लम विल बी रेज्ड इफ यू विल फॉलो इट properly. Understand? Next rules, we have to read some nouns end in y. Sorry, in vowel. Some nouns end in vowel. Okay? As we know that vowel and consonant. Okay? Vowel after y. Vowel after y. Followed. We change y to es. Sorry, s. Only s. Okay? To make their plurals. Y to s to make their plurals. तो प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? y को हम s में चेंज कर देंगे, ओके सॉरी, वाई के बाद एस लगा देंगे, ई एस नहीं लगाएंगे, ओके। वोवेल होना चाहिए किसके पहले, वाई के पहले। तो जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं, इसको मिटाएं। Y after add only S, okay. Y after add only S to make plural. Understand? Noun ends in vowel plus Y, okay. एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं क्या होता है, ठीक है। 2-3 ले लेते हैं तो समझ में आ जाएगा। एक की ले लेते हैं, एक मंकी लेते हैं, की। नंबर 2 मंकी, ओके। मंकी की, E before vowel is given, Y before vowel is given, Y before vowel is given. So this is a fact, noun ends in vowel plus Y, vowel plus Y. We change Y, we write Y, or we have to use Y after S to make plurals, okay. So keys, K-E-Y plus S. What is the reason behind it? To add S, because vowel plus Y is the fact and it refers to make plural only by S. Clear? So key plus S, keys, monkey, monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Plus as monkey, this is the plural, and this plural form we have to learn, okay. So this is very very important because this is the process, and this one is very very important in nouns numbers, and if you have some concept and idea about it, then you can change it into plural very easily, okay. So always follow the instructions of nouns and numbers. Next rules, some nouns end in F or FE. Nouns ends in F, FE in 2 conditions, okay. We change F or FE to V. We change F and FE to V and add ES. ES to make their plurals. Noun ends in F, FE. We change F, FE to V and add ES to make them plural. So this is the fact we have to follow and we have to understand. So follow these rules, and according to concept we can change the word in plural noun ends in f fe, मतलब f और fe से जब nouns फिनिश होंगे, we change f fe to भी, तो हम लोग f और fe को किस में बदल देंगे, भी में बदल देंगे, and add es, और उसमें क्या करेंगे फिर es ऐड कर देंगे। किस काम के लिए ऐसा करेंगे, जब कभी भी प्लूरल बनाना होगा उस काम के लिए। एग्जाम्पल विल बी लीफ, नाइफ, LEAF, leaf, knife, okay, calf or half, एग्जाम्पल लीफ, एफ से एंडिंग हो रहे हैं, वी चेंज एफ टू भी, एफ को हम किस में बदल देंगे, भी में बदल देंगे, और उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, ES ऐड कर देंगे। किस काम के लिए, प्लूरल बनाने के लिए। तो लीफ, LEAV, ES ऐड करना पड़ेगा, लिफ्ट विल बी प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ लीफ। नाइफ, नाइफ्स, half, halves, knives, leaves, knives, halves. Understand? So these are very important rules in nouns number. So it's our duty how to learn it, because it indicates a lot of problem if you have no any concept idea about it. So I want to tell you, please read it again and again and try to understand the facts of plural form and how noun and number is important. Okay, so leaf is equal to leaves, knife is equal to knife, and half is equal to halves. So more rules we have studied. So I want to give you some homework and have to learn from your grammar book rules number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I have already taught, and learning after you can better understand it. That means nouns and numbers. Okay, thanks.